As-salamu alaykum, my little creatives, and welcome to our art adventure. Today we're going to be crafting As-salam's hand. As we craft, we're going to be learning the importance of As-salamu alaykum. Are you excited? You're going to need glue and a pencil, a pair of scissors, colours, and coloured card. Your feedback is so important to improving our channel, so please write me a comment. The link is in the description below. Shall we get started?
Islam is a religion built on the foundation of peace, kindness, and love. One of the most beautiful ways to show this peace in our daily lives is through the way we greet one another. When Muslims meet, we say As-salamu alaykum, which means peace be upon you. This greeting is much more than just saying hello or hi. It is a prayer and a reminder of the values that Islam teaches us. By saying As-salamu alaykum, we're asking Allah to bless the other person with peace in their heart, their life, and everything they do. So I'm starting off by folding my piece of paper in half and tracing my hand. After I've traced my hand, I'm going to cut it out. But make sure not to cut over the edge of the line, so the hands stay connected. Saying As-salamu alaykum has a deep meaning. It's not just words. It's a way to show that we care about the well-being of others. It means we wish no harm to anyone, and we want to bring good feelings into the world. Islam teaches us that spreading peace is one of the best things we can do. To keep the paper connected, you see, I'm not going to cut all the way through the thumb. I'm leaving a little bit of space and doing the same on our index finger to keep the hands connected. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, told us, spread Islam among yourselves. Because this small act can bring people closer together and help build love and kindness in our communities. When you say salam, it's like sharing a little bit of happiness and comfort with someone. Imagine walking into a room and hearing someone greet you with warmth and sincerity, saying As-salamu alaykum with a big smile. Doesn't it make you feel special? That's what Islam wants us to do for each other, to spread positivity and remind each other that we are part of a big family, no matter where we come from, what language we speak, or how we look. Saying salam connects us all as Muslims. Another wonderful thing about salam is that it comes with blessings from Allah. When we greet someone with As-salamu alaykum, we earn good deeds. And if the other person replies with Wa alaykum as-salam, meaning and peace be upon you too, they also earn rewards. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, taught us that even adding more words to the greeting, like saying As-salamu alaykum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, which means peace, mercy, and blessings of Allah be upon you, brings even more blessings. Isn't that just amazing? Just a few words can bring so much goodness into our lives. Look, now we've cut out our hand and it looks like a heart because when we say salam, we want peace and love. Salam is also a way to show that we come in peace. When we greet others with this beautiful phrase, it tells them that we have no bad intentions and only wish the best for them. So now I'm writing on one hand, As-salam alaykum. The spelling is on the screen. This is especially important when meeting new people or when there is a disagreement. Saying salam can help calm things down and remind everyone that Islam teaches us to treat others with respect and compassion. Even more, salam isn't just for people we know. Islam encourages us to say salam to everyone, including those we might not know well. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "The best of Islam is to feed others and to greet those whom you know and those you do not know." This shows that salam is not just a greeting, it's a way of spreading peace in the world and making everyone feel valued and included. So when you see a Muslim, even if you know them or not, you can greet them with As-salam alaykum. And they should respond, Wa alaykum as-salam. And so now I'm writing Wa alaykum as-salam on the other hand. If someone comes up to you and says As-salam alaykum, what do we respond with? We respond with Wa alaykum as-salam. In the Quran, it says when you are greeted with a greeting, respond with a better greeting, or at least return it in the same manner. So if someone says As-salamu alaykum, you can respond with the same or better. So you can say Wa alaykum as-salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. And if someone says to you As-salamu alaykum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, you must respond with Wa alaykum as-salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, which means peace, mercy, and blessings of Allah be upon you. So now I'm writing Wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh underneath each greeting. So whenever you see someone, whether it's a friend, a family member, or even someone you don't know, you can say As-salamu alaykum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Say it with a smile and with sincerity in your heart. It's such a simple act, but it can make a big difference. Salam is one of the many ways we live the message of Islam every day, showing the world that Islam is truly a religion of peace, love, and kindness. By greeting each other with salam, we are spreading the light of Islam and bringing people closer to one another and to Allah. And remember, whenever you say salam, you're not just earning rewards from Allah, you're also making someone's day brighter. So keep saying salam and be a source of peace wherever you go. Now I'm drawing a speech bubble around our salams, as if it's a conversation. The word salam means peace. So when we say As-salamu alaykum, we're saying peace be upon you. So As-salamu alaykum means peace be upon you. So now I'm going to write peace be upon you on the fingers after I finish drawing the speech bubble. So to conclude, Saying salam and replying with an equal or better greeting is a beautiful way to spread peace, love, and kindness, just as Islam teaches us. It strengthens our bonds with each other, brings blessings into our lives, and reminds us of our duty to make the world a better place. By greeting each other warmly and sincerely, we not only earn Allah's pleasure, but also create a sense of unity and compassion within our communities. So never underestimate the power of a simple salam. It is a gift of peace that keeps on giving. So promise me, the next Muslim you see, you will greet them with As-salam alykum, which means peace be upon you. And they will respond, Wa alaykum as-salam. You can also greet them with As-salamu alaykum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, and they'll respond, Wa alaykum as-salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, which means peace, mercy, and blessings of Allah be upon you. Salam is not just for when we meet someone, it's also a way to say goodbye when leaving. It's a way of parting with kindness and peace, asking Allah to protect and bless the person even after you leave them.
Wow, look at your beautiful salam hands. I'm so proud of the amazing work you did today. Look, now we can remember to greet everyone with As-salamu alaykum, which means peace be upon you. Let's end with a short dua. Raise your hands and repeat after me. O Allah, let my salams bring joy and blessings to everyone I greet. Ameen. And don't forget to leave a comment in the feedback form below so I can improve my channel for you. The link is in the description. And I will see you guys in the next video. As-salamu alaykum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.